To list all available packaged fonts from the enabled repositories, run this command. You can also narrow down the specific type of font using grep command. For instance, to install bitmap fonts, you would run this command. Installing packaged font is always recommended. You will receive regular updates and customization when a new version of the installed font is available. Some fonts may not be packaged due to licensing or other reasons. In such cases, you can manually download the fonts and copy them to the fonts directory in Linux. For example, I am going to install firacode and opendyslexic fonts. So, I created the following two directories for each font type. Now, go to the directory where you downloaded the fonts and copy them to the fonts directory you created. Once all the fonts are copied or installed, run the fccache command to build font information cache files for applications using font config for their font handling. As you can see, installing fonts in Fedora Linux is not a big deal. Even though this guide is specifically written for Fedora, you can follow the same instructions to add fonts in almost all Linux distributions.